Zhuhai, conduit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around, gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai.
Okay, in this particular one, we're walking along this major road with the ocean on the other side of this major road. Where you can see the Opera House in the distance way over there. And it's a bit hard to see because the camera is kind of small, but it is beautiful. I should be on the other side. What happened is I wanted to see if I could get into this area, but it was a little bit challenging. There's some beautiful plants in here too. Wow. And because it was so challenging, I just opted for to walk down this way, and we'll see I'll try to get in there. We'll see what I'm gonna do. But anyways, stay tuned. Let's show you this slice of Zhuhai as well. Zhuhai. So this one, we're gonna be walking along the coastal road. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And we're kind of getting into all these trees, and this is kind of like another little aspect of Zhuhai, so you can get to know the city a little bit. And South China has some really beautiful trees. You're definitely going to see that in this one. Anyways, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Zhuhai. Zhuhai does have some really beautiful trees. But look how lush all these plants are too. It's one of the beauties of being in South China, just filled with lushness. And it's also raining a little bit today, so it makes all the colors kind of vibrant. But anyways, that's where the coastline is at. We're going to probably go over there. Why would we not? We're right here anyways. But first we're gonna go down in here, and then we're gonna take a ride a little bit and just kind of see what we can look around and find. So let's jump up there. I kind of see what I want to do is see about people that live near the coastline like this. What kind of stuff is there? Anyways, let's get up there. Okay, we'll just walk down that way a little bit. It's really beautiful. And now we're kind of at this cool looking thing, 262888 if you want a big apartment with giant balcony. And the public toilet is at the beach, which is where we're gonna be going. Maybe we're gonna go there right now, maybe. Let's do that right now. You might as well. So yeah, I just ran across there, so I'm gonna try to go up there later. I'll combine that with this. What I'm trying to do anyways is kind of get a feel for the city, all the different aspects of it, like where people live, not just the tourist stuff, but like so I will walk up there. Wow, this beach is beautiful. Wow. God dang. Huh. It's really nice up here. So yeah, I just kind of walked along there. You can see those buildings, so that's what I wanted to see, was those buildings. But then when they dropped me off, maybe at the brown building here, and it was a private entrance, so I couldn't go in. But yeah, look at that coastline. So that coastline is beautiful. And I might, yeah, my plans to go up there, but why would I not explore more of this beach? Yeah, well, some waves are coming in right now. So that's actually the Hong Kong bridge, right out there. It has a little bit of waves just kind of seeping in. So yeah, I got a taste of that. And we're gonna walk back over there and then into the city a little bit. But I just wanted to capture this little spot. A little bit tempted to walk. It's like a little island over there. This Opera House is a bigger island. So those tall buildings, I think, are all part of this side of Zhuhai. And then Macau would be maybe on the other side of those mountains somewhere. But yeah, that's, I think we're probably about 10 or 12 kilometers away from Macau. And Zhuhai has a lot of coastline, except near Macau. It's like over there, it's more like a boardwalk. So we're gonna walk in here. That was the plan, to come here anyways, just to see. So I'm gonna bring the camera up there. So yeah, I think this is a bus stop right here. We're gonna try to get across that as soon as that turns red. Looks like there's like some kind of court up there, like maybe a soccer court or something like that. And we can run across right now, so. Okay. So this was the big road that we crossed. More of those buildings with balconies. That was the beach. So you can still see that, kind of a coastal road with all the trees going above. Oh, looks like a wedding ceremony. That's cool. Very cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is just gonna go meander up this way kind of randomly. Or maybe we'll go across and go down that way. Let's see that. So what I'm curious to do in these trees, what I'm curious to do in this one is just kind of go inland a little bit and just kind of see what we can see when we get away from the ocean. What kind of stores there are, what kind of residential there is, stuff like that. I should get something to drink here. So I'm gonna get something to drink here, and then we're gonna, places to sit. And then I'm gonna walk up that way and film in that direction. So stay tuned for that. I think the Xinjiang, I think, Xinjiang. They also got bread over here as well. And then those are some of the menu items. And then they also have this beautiful, so you get all this barbecue. You can sit outside over here. And then they have this beautiful mural right here. Yeah, Xinjiang. I was recently there, so this is really cool. I know there's some of the food, so I got lots of meat and some breads as well. And some fresh garlic too. Yeah. All right, that's really cool. I was curious about that. Gigi. Gigi. And they also got some bread right there too. So, okay. Gigi. So they actually had some Xinjiang style. I would love to eat that, but we're gonna keep on walking in. So my goal, I was curious if there was some of that around here in Zhuhai, if I could find it. It looks like I can. It's just a matter of looking for it. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going until we can see. Like, one thing I can see right already is that there is some residential stuff up there, but it's gated. It's like a gated community. So we're gonna walk into this forest, basically. I'll turn the camera when we get up there more. Okay, so we're kind of on the backside, so you can see some of these apartments with this view away from the ocean, and some more stores, more tall buildings way down that way as well. And then we just have kind of a I think we're kind of going into the mountains in this particular part of Zhuhai. So this one looks like it's kind of heavily forested, maybe not so interesting to view, but you can get the idea of it already. But this is just this little taste of Zhuhai from this one particular vantage point, and the ocean was straight that way right there. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to an ending shortly, and I'm just going to walk down slightly into these areas a little bit, just so you can see this parallel one with the beach. And then you can also see that there's a lot of buildings right on the backside here. That's where we're at for references, if somebody wants to see exactly where we're at. And someone might. There's convenience stores right there. I like the fact that they have access. You don't even have to go into the store. So, okay. So yeah, those beautiful buildings. On the one side they have the ocean, on this side they have views of the city views. So I think what I'm going to do next is we're just going to come to an end for this one when we get to the corner. And we'll just kind of capture what we can capture. Huh, it goes all the way in. Okay. So we're going to come down to this corner here, and that will be the end of our video. Get lots of food. Here's the recycling as well. And then when we come over here, it's just kind of apartments. Apartments way down there too. Actually, those apartments you could probably walk to the beach pretty easily. So maybe the beach is accessible wherever you're at. Like you don't have to overlook it. You could be down a little ways and walk to it. But anyways, I'm just kind of giving an idea for Zhuhai for viewers, and also it's just a way for me to kind of learn about Zhuhai myself. So I guess we're gonna end it right there. So you got a little bit of coastline, you got a little bit of inland as well. So you got to see it from a few different angle points. Pretty cool, pretty stark, amazing view right here. Tall, skinny buildings like that. Love it. Okay. Oh, got some couches outside. I guess those are going to be recycled, I guess, because they're recyclable bin. Okay. Just when I thought I was done with the camera, that's that one view. And then this is a park with the ocean right on the other side of it. And then we also have like a waterway right over here to the right. So I do want to capture that. So yeah, you can access these apartments. Like a nice little stretch of apartments right there with a nice walkway going along. It's like a little river that comes inland. Huh. So yeah, it looks like they kind of go that way to get to the ocean. Kind of seeing all kinds of cool stuff here. This could be a whole other video right here, just walking into that. But anyways, we're gonna end it right here. I was gonna end the video, but I just can't get over how beautiful this is. This like this goes right into the ocean. You got these kind of skinny, tall buildings like that. I think they look really, really cool. Then you have this little waterway that kind of goes through. It's like, feels so peaceful. Mountains over there. And then yeah, it looks like we could kind of walk along, have access, like if you lived in any of these apartments, right, you could have access to the ocean. And there's some kind of cool looking houses like that one too. But anyways, that was kind of the goal, to walk in a little bit and see some of the stuff that's inland, and I guess I've completed that task. And yeah, that's the ocean right there.